How to earn free PayPal gift cards and crypto just by doing a few tasks. In today's video, we're going to be looking at a site that gives you all of those options and just by doing a few tasks every single day. So if you're looking to make more money from home, maybe you need some extra cash to pay the bills or just so that you can actually enjoy life a little bit better. Make sure you stay tuned right to the end of this video. We're going to walk through a site called GrindBux. We're going to find out how easy it is to actually earn PayPal gift cards and crypto just by using their website. So let's go and find out more about GrindBux with a full review. Okay, so as you can see, we've come onto the grindbux.com website, and I haven't even got an account here, guys, so we're going to take it from step one and show you how you can actually sign up for an account and everything. But this is how you're going to actually supposedly earn cash, crypto or gift cards. And it says here, join thousands of users already earning hundreds of dollars every single day. It says completing surveys, downloading apps, playing games. You'll also be able to cash out with cryptocurrencies, PayPal money, gift cards. It's only got 19,000 registered users. And that's because if you go across to a site called who.is, the actual website has only been launched since about January of 2023. It's very, very new indeed. So in that respect, it is quite a good site to get involved in because there are not many people actually on the site at the moment. So you could earn quite well out of this. So let's go and show you how you can actually go and sign up quickly, and then we'll show you inside GrindBux, find out exactly withdraw into cash, crypto, or gift cards. The only thing I did notice is it doesn't say anywhere about actually signing up, which is a little bit of a poor. So sometimes I think what other people have said is that sometimes trying to navigate the website can be a bit difficult. Now, obviously, this is fairly new, so they will be updating this probably more as we go. So again, you might not quite be the same when you come, but at the moment, as you can see here, we've just got a few tabs at the top here. The only one I can think of is literally profile, because after a bit of investigation, we found out that you've got to hit the G sign here, and then obviously you've got to sign in with either your Google or Apple account or something like that. So I'm going to go and do that right now, and then we'll go into the back end of GrindBux. Okay, so as you can see, I've signed up with my Google account and I've got an account here now. So hopefully everything will start to actually work. And the way you want to go first is you want to go to earn, and we'll show you exactly how you can actually earn. What you also do here is you can join the Discord, and they actually give frequent giveaways and level exclusive promo codes. So that is a good way you can actually earn an extra bit of cash just by being in their community, because every so often they're going to drop promo codes. You come in here, you can add in the promo code and you can get points. Okay, now once you start building up your points, you can obviously withdraw them, and we're going to show how you can do that later. But let's go and show you more about how you can actually go and earn these points. So as you can see here, there are some various different sites here. Some of them are new to me, some of them are pretty standard ones, such as Agate Media. You've got Lutabri, Loot TV, CPS Research, AdGem, etc. These are all just offer sites that you can actually get, and you can start doing some of the offers here. So if you go onto AdGem, we open it up, this goes across to their website. You can complete offers to earn diamonds. So it's sort by most popular, highest paying, easiest, or device type as well. So you've got Android or iOS. So if we, for argument's sake, go with the easiest, and the easiest here, you can actually start a free trial of BritBox, for argument's sake. You're going to get 1,400 diamonds for that. Now, the most popular ones are basically games, casinos, that sort of thing. And this one here, Family Island, you've got a complete level 21 to earn 13,700 points. So the points you can earn are quite good, but obviously you've got to get to a level. But if you enjoy playing games anyway, then this is probably the best way to go. Now, GrindBux is not going to be the best paying website at the moment. I think probably their payouts will probably get better as they get more established website. But I'll leave a link in the description below if you want something that's paying out, probably the top earner, a similar site to these, but a top earner, and one that I've used to actually earn thousands of dollars on. I'll put a link in the description here, and I'll also put a video at the end of this where you can go and check out that site as well. But let's just carry on going through GrindBux at the moment and find out more about that. They do have their own rewards here as well. And as you can see, these are daily rewards. So if you come in, this is where you can enter your promo codes, and also you can claim certain points just for actually coming in. And it says here at the bottom here, you must earn 500 plus diamonds per month to claim any daily rewards. So you need to be earning from these other sites here before you can actually go and claim any rewards. That probably includes promo codes as well. Now, another way that you can actually earn as well is through the leaderboards. Now, they do have a monthly payout here and a monthly reward for the top user of $50. They also do a daily payout as well, but as you can see here, this is only $2.50 at the moment, but you could quite easily get onto that leaderboard and earn that just by coming in and doing some of these simple tasks. Now, once you have earned a reasonable bit of money, you could actually go and then click on what we got here is the shop icon here. Now, this isn't where you go and buy stuff, it's where you actually redeem your rewards. And as you can see here, we've got cash and crypto and gift cards. Now, at the moment, PayPal seems to be temporarily disabled. Now, whether that is going to come back, you might watch this video slightly further down the line and this is fine, or it might still be disabled, I don't know. Now, you have obviously got Litecoin, you've got Solana, and I haven't seen Solana actually given away on one of these sites before, so that is a new crypto that they're giving away. You've got Bitcoin Cash, but not actually Bitcoin in here, and you certainly have only really the most common one there you've got is Litecoin, but you can obviously use that to withdraw. You have also got Visa here as well, and if we click on Visa, and after a short while I actually discovered you have to just scroll down and it actually tells you here what you're going to actually what you're actually going to be able to actually withdraw. Now, just make a note that PayPal and Visa, the cash ones, tend to come with fees. Now, this 500 500 diamonds is worth 50 cents. So you've actually got to earn 5,500 diamonds in order to withdraw a $5 withdrawal. Now, there are upper limits as well, but as you can see, every time you go further up, your fee increases as well. So it's obviously done on a percentage basis rather than a flat fee. And then all you got to do is click purchase. So they're saying that obviously it's more of a purchase that you're making rather than redeeming. Just a funny way of doing it, but most of the others would say you're redeeming your money rather than purchasing your money. Now, Litecoin is slightly different because it's got a minimum withdrawal amount of just 250 diamonds, okay, which is only 25 cents. Now, you will need a Litecoin address. Now, you could go to somewhere like Coinbase or something like that, where you could actually go and get a free account, and then you can actually just put in your address here, and then you can send it directly to your Coinbase account. And if you want to know more about Coinbase, I can put a video above here where you can go and check out how to do that. So just wrapping up this video about GrindBux. As you can see, it's a fairly new site. It's just getting up and running. Very small amount of members at the moment. So it could be a good one to actually go and get involved in if you wanted to, or like I say, there are others out there that are paying quite a much higher rewards at the moment, which you if you are not already aware of those, and check out the video at the end of this video. But ideally, it looks as if they are paying out. They've got some teething troubles with sort of navigation, that sort of thing, and wording. So maybe that's all going to get sorted out as and when they progress through their journey. But all in all, at the moment, it looks like it's a very simple website where you can actually go in various surveys, download apps, play games, etc., and get certainly crypto and gift cards. And you can obviously pull out with Visa at the moment, but PayPal is not available currently. Let us know in the comments below how you get on, how you'll find it, etc. Whether they are paying out well or whether you've had issues with them as well. Just drop anything in the comments below so we can obviously all find out how you are getting on. And I can also answer any questions you may have. Okay, I trust you found this useful and interesting. If you did, smash up the like button for us. Don't forget to watch these videos next. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and you will get notified every time we make a new video. That's it for today. We will see you on the next video.